Down. 3, 2. Welcome to the Innovation Agency. My name's Mike Kenny, I'm the Associate Commercial Director, and this is my colleague Andrew Cairns. Now, what we do, first of all, let me say, it's the award-winning commercial team. This is something that we that we got last year for our basically support for health and life sciences, small to medium businesses on our patch of the North West Coast, which is something we're very, very proud of. And basically, what we do in our regions, in Cheshire and Warrington, in Liverpool, in Lancashire, is that we help small companies with really, really good ideas, really good innovations to access the NHS, because the NHS is a big organisation for a small company to access, and that's what we try and do. Andrew, do you want to talk about what you do in Liverpool?
Andy Cairns. I'm the programme manager, the commercial programme manager in the Liverpool City region, and I support SMEs in the Liverpool City region. We get to work with a multitude of SMEs, and some of them are ones there. This, for example, is 3D Life Prints. This was a printed brain that's been made out of the plastic and been laid down. So this was done at Alderhay Hospital. This was a child's brain, and they'd actually had a screwdriver in their brain. They did a mock-up and product of the skull, and they practiced making an incision on the brain, on the skull first of all, and then into the brain itself. So the variety of companies we work with, 3D Life Prints, another one company that do non-latex gloves. So the challenge for that was to actually get a contract with an NHS Trust, because the normal process is they work with companies that have multiple products and use latex gloves. So we work with a procurement team to enable access. So the thing I really find interesting is that you're making a difference with SMEs. You're helping them to get access to clinicians, to commissioners, and help them grow and flourish in the health sector, social care sector. So it can be from a digital company to one that makes latex gloves, ones that do 3D life prints, and companies that we support that do items there, surgical instruments with ensures that you get an exact 60-degree cut.
Wow. So exciting stuff. The commercial team, there are 11 of us. 11 of us in the commercial team now. So we're quite a big team within the Innovation Agency. We've got a range of experiences. So I myself have got a background in the pharmaceutical industry, been working in the NHS in the Innovation Agency for 3 years. Andrew, what's your background?
Well, I did an engineering degree, but I've worked in the public and private sector, and I've worked at NHS Trust previously, local government. So there's a variety of experience that I bring to support commercial companies, SMEs, to give them sort of access to funding. So that's one of the strong things that we provide, that we can point them in a direction of where funding's available and support them when they're doing bid writing, and make opportunities available to them within the academic health science network. We do have pots of money on occasions where we can direct companies to that and help them to access that. And there's also European funding as well, where we've done that previously.
Just on that, so let's talk about the kind of support we've given to our businesses. So over the last 2 years, we've supported 60 businesses to actually sell their products into the NHS. We've supported 20 of those to actually achieve £4.5 million worth of grant funding investment, and we 5 have actually managed to get £8.5 million worth of venture capital investment, which means they can grow, they can expand, they can develop new stuff, and that's what we do. There is a massive variety of things that we see. I've just tested my heart rhythm. I'm pleased to note that I haven't got atrial fibrillation, and you can see a wider range of innovations here, health and care innovations, and actually, you know, the scale is incredible. And we'd just like to end by saying once again, welcome to the Innovation Agency, and touche.
Touche.